Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Investing Every Day, where we invest every day. Opening up some Pokemon cards right now. One of the things I invest in is Pokemon cards. So I've got one right here. We'll open a couple up, and then I have a Pokemon product that you can buy right off the shelf and make some money on. So we'll talk about that in a second. Okay, so when I buy these, I usually don't even know what I'm opening. I just buy them, that kind of trickle through. So right here we got another Hitmonchan, pretty poor condition. But if you look in the bottom right corner, kind of hard to see, but it says 1999 to 2000. That's a variant of the base set. It's pretty rare. They're pretty hard to find, so that's why I picked this one up. I think I paid $5 for it. If I grade it, this would definitely get a PSA 1, but you know, that's gonna be like $5 for the card, $10 to grade it, so $15. Fourth print base set card, could go for double that, so you could double your $15. Just a little win there, nothing crazy. Opening up another one, see what we got here. Okay, so this is a Shadowless Ninetales. I believe I also got this one for $5. Not in the greatest condition, but Shadowless is rare, getting harder to come by. There it is. So nice pickup for $5. Sometimes they send these in a junk sleeve, so I got my penny sleeves. I'll just throw it in one of these and then put it in my binder. Okay, so there's the Pokemail. You know, kind of get those in from time to time, so maybe I'll open them up, show you what I'm getting. Right now, we're going to talk about a product that you can buy. So Walmart has just started to restock a set from 2017, which is Evolutions. Specifically, they're restocking the ETBs, or Elite Trainer boxes. So this is what you want to look for. So we've got the Charizard and the Blastoise. These are Elite Trainer boxes. They come with like sleeves, a couple like promo items, and like 10 packs. Or maybe it's 8 packs, I don't remember. A lot of the older sets, they did booster boxes, which is a box with 36 packs in it. And some of the modern sets, the newer sets, aren't doing booster boxes. So like Elite Trainer boxes are the new cool thing to get, kind of. So a lot of people are collecting these Elite Trainer boxes. Evolutions is a pretty hype set. They have a reprint of the original base set Charizard. So this is the Evolutions that looks like the original base set, which is this one right here. So that's one of the hype cards that you can get in this set. PSA 9, those are selling for like $130 or something right now. So that's an easy win if someone's able to pull that from a pack. That's why people are buying these boxes. Like I said, Walmart is just starting to restock them. And this is probably going to be like the last round of Evolutions to come into stores. It's a print from 2017. So after this, the supply will start to dry up as people open up packs. So if I get any of these, I've been looking at Walmart. I'm just going to hold on to them for a while. They were selling around like $100 a box before they did this release into the Walmarts. And I believe they're selling for $30 a box at Walmart. Charizard will go for a little bit more than the Blastoise one. But these are what you want to look out for. If we go to eBay, we'll check how much these are selling for right now. Let's go to sold items. It's going to reload the page for us. Ended recently. So people are paying $109 for this, for the pair, $50, a little over $50 for the Blastoise, over $60 for the Charizard. So you know, you can buy these off the shelf, $30, double your money right now if you want. I personally would hold on to it for a little bit, wait for the supply to dry up. You know, these won't be available forever on the shelf. This is probably the last time they're going to be available on the shelf at any store ever. People will open these up as the amount of packs and the supply lowers. You know, people will be like, I need to get the ETB for my collection. Some people want to display it in their collection, the sealed product, or some people will just buy it to get more packs because the prices of the cards in those packs could be rising. Either way, it's a pretty good investment right now, and Walmart is putting these on the shelves. So that's a little tip for you guys. Hopefully this helps someone out. You know, a lot of investors talk about stocks, cryptocurrencies, things like that, but the truth is, if you have very little capital to invest, like if you only have $50, putting it into stocks, it's going to take a long time to do anything with it. But, you know, if you buy products off the shelf like Pokemon, you could double your money a couple times. get the ball rolling. And once you get $1,000, you know, maybe start to put some into stocks, figure it out from that point. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more of these. I'm going to be upgrading my setup hopefully, so I'll get a better mic than this one on the headphones. I really need a new computer as well. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.